Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to evaluate functions. I have given you 4 problems here. Okay, so let's look at the first problem. We have f of x equals to 9x plus 2. Find f of x equals to 11. So what we do in this problem is substitute f of x equals to 11 into this equation here, f of x. That is since we have f of x equals to 11, and that is our value that we are substituting. So if we do that, we will get 11 equals to 9x plus 2. Now, if we simplify that, we will have 9x equals to 9, and therefore x equals to 1. So that is our answer here. So let's check if we have this right. So in order to check this, what we do here is substitute 11 for f of x, since f of x equals 11, and that's given in the problem. So it'll be 11 equals to 9 into 1 plus 2. Now, you might be wondering why I put 1 here. Now, that is since we found out x equals to 1, and we are checking if that's right. So we will put the x value into the x right here. So if we do that, we will get 1. Now, if we simplify that more, what we'll get is 11 equals to 11. Now, we can see that we got this problem correct. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem. We have f of x equals to 6x minus 2. Find f of x equals to 7. Now, this is the same as the previous problem. So what we will do is um, substitute f of x equals 7 into the f of x right here in this equation. So what we have is 7 equals to 6x minus 2. If we simplify it, we will get 6x equals to 9. And therefore, that will be x equals to 3 by 2. Now, that is our answer for this. Now, let's check if we have this right. So if we check this, what we do is substitute f of x equals 7 um, in this equation right here. So if we do that, we will get 7 equals to 6 into 3 by 2 minus 2. So it's the same reason again. Right here, you're substituting 3 by 2 for x, since x equals to 3 by 2. So if we simplify it furthermore, we will get 7 equals to 9 minus 2, and it'll be therefore 7 equals to 7. So right now we can see that we got this problem right. Okay, so let's move on to the next problem. We have g of h equals to -1 plus 7h. Find g of h equals to 7. Now, if we do that, how to do that is, again, as the previous problems, substitute 7 for g of h, since g of h equals to 7. Now, if we do that, we will get 7 equals to -1 plus 7h. Now, we need to simplify that. Now, if we simplify that, we will get 7h equals 8, and therefore it'll be h equals to 8 by 7. Now let's check if we got it right. So it's like we check it as the previous problem. So we will put g of h equals 7 into g of h right here. Now if we do that, we will get 7 equals to -1 plus 7 into 8 by 7. And if we simplify that, we will get 7 equals to 7. Now we can see that we got this problem right? So let's move on to the next problem. We have f of x equals to -1 minus 3x. Find f of x equals to 8. Now, what we do here is substitute a equals to f of x. So if we do that, we will get a. Oops, it will be a equals to -1 minus 3x. And that'll be negative 3x equals to 9. Now, if you simplify that, we will get, therefore, x equals negative 3. Now, let's check that. Now, if we check that, we will put 8 equals f of x, and it'll be a equals to -1 minus 3 into negative 3. Now, that'll become a equals to 8. Now, we can see that we got this problem right. I hope you understand on how to evaluate functions. Thank you. Bye.